Skye. Good girl. That was fast.
Here we are, fortunately, in the shady Lane 11 in Victoria, British Columbia at the ferry terminal. And we arrived 90 minutes early.
We're waiting for customs to open up so we can check ourselves in.
There's Coho. Well, for some reason, they're loading up the other lanes and leaving us here. Well, these last 2 lanes. But as long as we can get on board, it doesn't matter. Looks like we're gonna get on, but just barely. We were asked if we had the blue ticket, and we do, so we said, okay, come on. Last few vehicles getting loaded up. About ready to depart Victoria, British Columbia. Gosh. Precise. And we're off. So long, Victoria. Good, that was noisy.
Yeah. Oh, is that the one that landed?
Yeah. Oh, we backed up and re-aimed. Big cruise ship out there. There's the Strait. Celebrity cruises. Flying hair. So long, Victoria. It does. Maybe it's a breakwater type of thing. Smaller cruise ship. A little windy out here. Kids are waving. Really windy. Here's to our trip home on the Coho after a wonderful visit to Victoria, British Columbia. Right?
Sweet home. That's where we're going. Cheers.
Someone's talking. Are they allowed in here?
Yes.
Skye's afraid to come up the stairs, so we're not going to traumatize her. She's tired now anyway. Oh, whale spout from inside. There he is. Oh, yeah. Is it orca? Rough waters now. Car alarm's going off and green air there. Oh, towards Port Angeles. Had to get out of the wind.
You saved me if this thing sinks.
The seas are getting
There was a
really
skip
rough.
We're both in trouble. There was a swimmer.
We are
going
rocking and rolling here. Chairs are spinning.
That's a good way to rest too, though.
I'm gonna try to get up and go outside without falling down. It's really rocking. Whoa, you can see the horizon changing there. Not getting too close. Holy cow.
Aren't you cold?
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Oh, oh, well, there we go. Try to sit down now. That was interesting.
What's it like?
It's just like here, but whoa. Rock and roll. There's the marine air above us now. Up, down, all the chairs are spinning. Look at that. That is a rock and roll. You okay?
Sort of.
Want me to get you something?
I don't know.
There was another wave.
Yeah.
Just splashed over. Captain's making a sharp turn to the left, which would be southeast. And this would be better. We'll be going with the waves instead of parallel to them, which is making it miserable. This will be a lot better. Finally coming around the spit in Port Angeles. Need to get down to the car, get ready to get inside the car if we can. This spit is called Eddie's Hook. There's a Coast Guard station here near the end. What a journey this has been. Rock and roll. Very little room here to get in and out of our car, so Diane's gonna have to climb in first and slide across. Yeah.
It's not gonna work.
Let's try not to hit the other car. Are you in? All right. Now it's my turn.
I'm gonna see back. It'll make it easier.
Okay. That's fun. I'll see if I can do it. Oh.
So many people are having trouble.
Wow. Skye, you okay? Did you get
Laying down
car sick?
sideways.
There's wildfires burning up at Deer Park and Hurricane Ridge. And I guess they're just gonna let it burn